Hi everyone. So this is going to be another quick lesson for the fourth position of our pentatonic scales. We're sticking with A, so A major and A minor, and we're going to hop right in. So let's start with A major, right? So we got A major position 1, we got position 2, position 3, now position 4. So what's going on there? First things first, we're going to start on our high E, and what we're going to do is on the high E we're going to do 12-9. On the second string, we're doing 12-10. On the third string, 11-9. Yep. There you go. Had to kind of remember it myself. And then on the fourth string, 11-9 once again. And then for the fifth and sixth string, you're doing that stretch like you did on the high E. So 12-9, 12-9. Cool? So sounds like this. Walking up. You can do all sorts of cool riffs. That's actually one that I love doing. I kind of love like grabbing that 12 on the second string, bending it up, and then with my pinky grabbing the 12th fret on the high E. So it's kind of this country twang. I'm doing something like that. I think that's really cool. It's kind of fun. So anyways, that is the position 4 of the A major. Let's find our roots now. So I kind of already did one there just by doing that riff there, but we're going to walk through it. So if we start from the top, we got a major root right there. So this is an A, and it's in our major root slot for this position. Cool. So that's on the 10th fret of the second string. If we keep going down, we got another one there on the 12th fret of the 5th string. So, and then if you wanted to kind of keep going, there's nothing left in this position, but you could shift down to, this is our 4th position, we can move to our 3rd, 2nd position. We can shift down and grab the root there. That's an option. Cool. So, that's the major. That's position 4 of A major. Position 4 of A minor, this is going to be kind of cool. So there's kind of, first thing you kind of notice, and remember we could just simply follow the rule. The rule with, if we want to go from, let's say like A major to A minor, or whatever, we just want to go to the minor scale, we're using the same root note. You can just take what the scale in major and just shift it up 3, and then you just aim for the minor root slots. That's kind of like a simple rule. But regardless, if we were even just kind of like do the extension and see as it fits in, we can start off on our A minor position 1, A minor position 2, A minor position 3, and then we have A minor position 4. Now we're going to do it here, but you're going to notice that we're pretty high up on the neck here. In fact, if we started to do, remember there's 5 positions, 5 total positions in the pentatonic scale. And it's going to be pretty tough to get the next one. So I'm going to show you, we're going to go through it like this, high up, and then I'm going to show you kind of like another way to do it. So first things first is we do the same sort of shape, but we start off on the 15th fret here. So 15, 12 on the high E, 15, 13 on the 2nd fret, 14, 12 on the 3rd string, 14, 12 on the 4th string, 15, 12 on the 5th string, and 15, 12 on the 6th string. And then where are the roots? They're going to be in the minor root slot. So, what is it? Yeah, okay, we're not there yet. So, we got one actually right there. If we walk it down, we got one on the 14th fret of the 3rd string, right there. Then if we keep walking down, we got another one on the 12th fret of the 5th string. Then we could shift all the way down if we wanted to the first position of the pentatonic to grab the other root right there, because there's going to be no other root in that sort of position. We'd have to shift down. So one thing that you might notice though, because we don't go any lower than the 12th fret, one thing that we can do is, because everything the 12th fret and above is just an octave higher than if we started right here, what we could do is we can kind of take this and just play it down here. Or it's just that now we don't, there's nothing to press here, so we can just go, or, right? Because normally we'd go, but now you don't play anything here, right? So it's just open. So what we'd be doing there is this is another way to play position 4 of the A minor, is playing it, actually shifting it right back down here. So you're gonna go 3, open on the E, 3, 1 on the second, and then after that, that's a root note right there. 2nd fret of the 3rd string, so, and then if you keep going, open, then the 4th string, 2, open, on the 4th string, then the 5th string, 3, open on the 5th string, and then that's another root note. Open. It's kind of like a cool riff there. So that's something to kind of keep in mind. Remember what I always say about these sort of pentatonic scales is this: we're just sticking with A right now, right? We're just sticking with A major and A minor. You can take the concepts that are being taught here and apply them to different keys. You just kind of have to think for 2 seconds, like, so let's say you're playing a song, that's in B major, okay? Take what you just learned for A major and notice that, oh, B is a step up from A, right? So you got to move sort of like this is A. You got to move up 2 to get to B, right? So it's a step up. So if you got to do 2 movements on the guitar to get up to B, then you could take all of those shapes that I just taught you for A and shift everything up by 2, and now you're going to be in B major, right? If you take everything from A major and you shift it up 2, you're now in B major. Let's say you're playing a song that's in G minor. You could take all the stuff that I taught you in A minor, and because G is a step down from A, so it's 2 movements down from A, you can take everything that I taught you in in A minor, and shift it down 2, and now you're in G minor, right? So take these concepts that are in this video, and you can apply them to different keys. And then by doing that, you can essentially play like every song ever. So yeah, so there you go. I think we'll probably end it then for today, and I'll probably be making a video right away for the last position 5 of the pentatonic scales. So happy playing, take care, bye.